In this video I'm going to show you how to simply delete all Snapchat conversations. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. And first open up Snapchat app and there hit on chat icon. Now here I got lots of conversation, and to be able to delete all of that conversation I have to hit on my profile icon and here hit on gear icon to open up settings. Now there I have to scroll down all the way until I find at account actions option clear conversations. Hit on that and now there I can delete any of my conversation just by hitting on that cross icon and confirm that action by hitting on clear. And in that way you can simply clear all your conversation. And now don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.